Hey guys, I'm Tim and I drink a lot of energy drinks. I'm here today to talk about Rockstar Organic energy drink, which Rockstar is not my favorite brand of energy drink. I tend to prefer Monsters, Red Bulls, and their product lineups, but one thing that I gotta give Rockstar credit for is some creativity. Not only did they launch the coconut water flavor a couple years ago, that was one of my favorites they ever did, even though it disappeared shortly thereafter, and I'm not sure why. But this organic energy drink is actually pretty ambitious, and here's the reason why. The ingredients list is incredibly short, and so short that I can read it to you very quickly here. Carbonated water, that's one. Organic cane sugar, citric acid, organic caffeine from natural green coffee beans, natural flavors, and organic guarana seed extract. So if you're counting along with my fingers here, 6 ingredients. Good luck finding any energy drink apart from like black coffee that it doesn't count, by the way, as an energy drink, that has a list of ingredients so short. You gotta really appreciate how ambitious this drink is. And I got this really because the cases of it were on sale at Costco earlier this year, and it was very, very cheap. Now I'm going to pour it into the glass here so you can kind of see what this is all about. This looks just about like a tall glass of Fresca. You got no artificial colors in there whatsoever, just kind of a almost watercolor drink. So that's pretty good. It's called Island Fruit Flavor. It's got kind of a passion fruit sort of vibe to it. It just says natural flavor. It doesn't tell you which actual fruits are in there. But I guess the real question for any energy drink like this is really how does it taste and how does it work. So I'm not actually tasting this for the very first time. I've had quite a few of them, and it was kind of an acquired taste. It's grown on me a little bit, but that passion fruit flavor is definitely in there, along with this kind of bitterness that I almost tend to associate with like artificial sweeteners, and I think that's coming from that green coffee bean extract. So I don't know, if you're familiar with like the green coffee drinks that Starbucks has made in the past and stuff like that, you might be kind of accustomed to that bitterness. It was really kind of a kick in the teeth to me at first. Like I said, it tasted kind of artificial, even though this is like 100% natural. Apart from that, you get the fruit flavor. It's very, very sweet. There are 200 calories in a can, so it's got a lot of sugar coming, in this case, from organic cane sugar, not corn syrup or anything like that. So I don't know. That's another complaint of mine. I think it's maybe a little too sweet. Although the sweetness does kind of help take the edge off of that bitterness that you get from the green coffee beans. So all in all, I don't love the flavor, but as I am now, I think 23 cans into a case of this over the course of several months, it's kind of growing me a little bit, and I might miss it. As far as the energy that you get from it, that's where this really excels. And Rockstar, as you might know, tends to put more caffeine in their drinks than the other brands. And so this one, I was a little hesitant at first, because when you get a drink like a Red Bull or a Monster, where I always thought a lot of that energy came from, or a lot of that sort of sustained energy buzz came from the B vitamins, your B6, your B12, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin. Those things, I think when you're trying to make an organic short list energy drink, wind up being too hard to source organically. And long story short, you're just not going to be able to make a $2 energy drink organic and still put all that stuff in it. So minus the vitamins, I was really skeptical. I was like, yeah, it's got 160 milligrams of caffeine, but is it going to be like a cup of coffee where you get like just an energy spike and kind of burn out right afterwards? Turns out that this thing will keep you up. Like it's just fine. In terms of sustained energy, which makes me question whether or not I really need all those B vitamins I'm getting from my other drinks every day. If Rockstar Organic Energy is still around, and you want a full sugar, full flavor energy drink, and are interested in maybe something I don't know, a little less chemical, a little you know, a little more short list of ingredients, then you know, it's not a bad way to go. It's not the best tasting energy drink out there, but it certainly is interesting. And now, even though I haven't drank a lot of them and not my go-to energy drink, I am glad that I bought a 24-pack case of them. So this is Tim. If you like this video, check out my other energy drink reviews, beard tips, and parenting advice. I'm also a blogger on attackofthedad.com. Thanks guys, and if there's any other energy drinks you'd like me to try, leave a comment.